piece of music. Time for justice. World peace is what we're fighting for. You know, we're out early, the Downsound Force, you know what I'm saying? Joe Bogdanovich is here, Sketta Bird is here, yeah, Nature is here, Tenil is here, Andre is here, Charm is here, wow, you know what I'm saying? The lovely Missy is here. The world peace means bringing people together, you know, whether you're black, white, no matter what nation you're from. Oh, world peace, world peace, world peace. Yeah, all over the world. See? World peace.
Downsound to the world, so guess what? Later I got mad. Video shoot I got turn up loud. Need to tell you. Mad.
Yeah! Greetings in the name of the Most High. We want no more nuclear weapons. You understand? We need those people who are creating these crazy diseases like HIV, SARS in the labs and all these things. These crazy scientists need to stop what they're doing. Create something that can heal cancer and all these things. You know what I'm saying? So it's just peace and unity we want to reign.
Hi everybody. Welcome to the set of Nature's video, World Peace. And right now we have a peaceful setting as you can see. And I'm trying to get these done. Guess what? I think I got turn up loud. Look at more, just keep it locked.
It's what we're fighting for. World peace. Let crime and violence cease.
Yeah, that's right. I kind of like the white that I have on right now. So all those is just in case, and I got this. Now that one's good too. Red shirt, and you have shorts or not? You have shorts or not? I think this is good. Oh, that's good. The way it is. Yeah. You might as well take the blue one. Just like that? It's a rocker. That's a rocker, right? Yeah, the beat drum.
Yeah, you know, we give thanks to the Most High for life, you know.
Yeah, cool out for the wine,
Psychological warfare, raping
This is Kana.
children. Them stop use them with.
No, let me rock like this. Let me rock to me. You got over there, rock to me.
It's what we're fighting for. World peace in the southwest.
Costs a lot of money now to make that kind of softness light. You know, that costs a lot. We're doing behind the scenes. This is Robin. She is a yeah. She's actually a very special person that's involved in entrepreneurial ideas and getting involved in bringing international tourism to eco-friendly Jamaica. And how does the future look? How are things changed, do you think, in Jamaica?
Well, I think it's picking up because a lot of people are more interested in like nature tourism now. So it's more than just the all-inclusive hotels. So we're trying to push for the mountains and, you know.
Sort of a green eco thing, or how does that work?
Yeah, nature hikes and just like a R&R, relax, rejuvenate, vacation in the mountains kind of thing.
Well, yeah, that's important.
Yeah, we're here. Yes, we advise the king, you know. Yes, say yes. Most High of the universe, put you first, you know, which are blessed, no one curse. World peace, we say. We have a great pride, you know. But at the end of the day, behind the fog, there is a lot of things. You know what I mean? The spreading of HIV and all those evil STDs, all those nuclear weapons, all because of Babylon's greed. World peace
know, trying to set up world peace. It's been a good vibe. Having a good vibe, you know. We're up in the mountains, blue mountains.
PNP and JLP will share the spot from Buster Man and everything.
You know you have a party.
This man is
Big youth.
and the big man then. And the real big man then.
What's going on here? This is the nature video shoot?
Yeah, and we are going nature aspect of things, so the toes them can't be done, you know? Can't do the toes them, and we come to the mountains, so the foot have to look rugged and rare. You know, we do things real here. We don't do no pedicure, no manicure, no, because we have come to the mountain. And
you know, those toes, they look like bones to me, man.
yeah, we have to be real down to the toes. You know? Yeah, we're not faking no eras. You know, them say Rasta and ancient, so we're really ancient. Tomorrow the toes I'm going to do and look nice, but today for this video show.
So tell me, what is the secret, you know, of the, you know, the way that these guys make these videos? I mean, what's the secret? I mean, how does that work?
These Downsound guys are ridiculous. They are mad people. They will get up today and do a music video tomorrow, you know? But guess what? They have everything prepared because they're very resourceful. We got cars, we got cameras, we got lights, we got camera personnel who knows everything about camera, we got technology, we got computers, so what's there to stop us, man? But the rain, and that's what's stopping us right now. But show must go on anyway, so what?
So Roger, you basically, you hit the bottle already, huh?
Wrong person.
Do you realize it's, what time is the sun supposed, what time they turn the JPS on? 11. Is that now? Yeah. What time is it now? 11. So nature.
Yes.
What do you think about this?
Well, it's very great. You know, nature's taking its course, and nature, the man who is here will represent the name nature. Will show the work of more size here, you know. Yeah, world peace, you know. That's saying. So it's all about unity. Even the rain and the sunshine. Yes, get on what it's a people. That's what the thing said. That's me I say. Yeah, Mr. Joe Bangladesh behind the camera. So the thing said, things look good.
Girl.
Let's get the host.
That's the way. Let me see side view.
It's too right, man. Hip hop, yeah.
You see, that's the way you should be looking.
Right.
Way better.
Natural, more natural.
Yeah, more natural. More natural. Selassie.
Yeah.
Okay, good. You're fine. So you're good.
So this is what you want now?
Yeah, right now. Yeah, this is right. You feel comfortable, right?
Sing some music.
No, I don't think so.
Time for justice, world peace. What if
Down and listen, that's later, but thank you for that detail. What time is it? I'm just okay, it's 30 minutes late, but you know what I mean? Come on, we gotta get busy. We got opportunity here now. Start the top. Roll it again, will you? Okay, I see you in the background there.
we want the violence cease. Down there in
You're gonna come in like this. You say that too. We want the violence to cease. You say world peace. We want the violence to cease.
world peace is what we're fighting for. World peace in the sun.
All right. Okay, now let me see you go in there. No, you're not waving your hand. Let me show you what you want. You want to be close to her face.
World peace is what we're fighting for.
This is what we're fighting for, world peace, and then you come in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No good. Focus. Get her focused, please. She moved.
It's what we're fighting for. World peace. Let crime and violence cease.
Very good.
Sing some music.
Oh.
nature is right here to give you all the love you need. Might not be a rich guy, fancy guy, or jacket and necktie. Might not be a hype youth, who fuss about expensive clothes and name brand food.
Over there. Look, back up, back up. Okay, let's go. Go ahead.
We want the violence.
Yeah.
I like that though, son.
Nigeria.
Okay, good. Now get closer to me now.
Down there in South Africa,
Closer.
Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa, right here in Jamaica. The rain hold up now. Now you go back again to get this work done. We are on the mission to shoot world peace.
She looks good like that. Does she look? She doesn't look right though. Can you fix her face a little bit? Quickly.
Joe Bogdanovich is right here. He's doing the directing for this excellent to-be video and all these things which is gonna be shown all over the world.
World peace.
World peace is not just a song for Jamaica, not just a song for the Caribbean, not just a song for America, not just a song for Europe, but a song also for Australia, North America, South America, Asia, all over the world, everywhere. You know, because everyone needs world peace in this time. This is what the most I want us to deal with. World peace. This is how we should be living, in peace and unity.
We're here on the second day video shoot of Nature's World Peace, and the thing shot. It's mad. Having fun, cold weather, hot weather, everything. Eternal.
Yeah. Time for justice. World peace is what we're fighting for. World peace in the southwest, north and east. World peace.
We're on the set of Nature's video, World Peace. The vibes here is crazy. Things going alright. It's a good look. You can know the video will turn out alright instead of shot. You see it, so everything turned out. The crew's awesome, Downsound. Shot everything, Charm, everybody, Joe, the whole crew shot the thing turn up.
STDs.
So at the end of the day, we are promoting peace here, there, each and everywhere. You know what I'm saying? It's a good vibe. World peace. We are here on a mission. No obstacle can stop us because we are doing the most high work. You know what I'm saying? Nature representing peace. World peace.
World peace is what we're fighting for. World peace.
I feel very enthused about this video right now because it's a positive message going out to the world. So it's a good look, you know what I mean, for the world and for the future of reggae music. Tune in.
Now they're going to turn into singers. So, oh, they're real serious. They're singers now. Not only the content, but now they're singers, and you look like you're a real singer.
Spilling blood all over town. Psychological warfare, raping women and children. Them stop use them whip, now them I use them paper and pen. World peace is what we're fighting for. World peace in the southwest, north and east. World peace in the southwest, north and east. World peace is what we're fighting for. World peace, let crime and violence cease.
I think that this video will have like a good impact on the country, the world, and a life, because it just bringing everybody together. Love, unity, different cultures, everything.